Hello, this video is for the Learning Technology program, UW Stout. My name is Dan Meyer, and we're evaluating websites today based on the learnings through this class. The site that I chose to review is Gunderson Health System website. I work at Gunderson, and I know that they put a lot of time and effort into trying to make the website as user-friendly as possible, and so I thought this would be a great opportunity to look at that through the view of the information that we used in our classes. When we look at the website here, I believe that there's a nice balance that occurs in the way that it lays out its options for their users. You have some icons here, so ease of use to understand what the different locations are for. So it creates a visually appealing. There's scrolling banners that go through to give you information on new and updated information or offerings that are being provided by the organization. When we go into the different sites, there's some consistency between the different sites, such as when you go to look for a doctor, you have the option of entering information in, or if you don't know the provider's name, you can search by specialty. On the right-hand side here is a tab, I Want To. This is a kind of a quick tab to help folks navigate and get information or go to specific sites that they're looking for easily without having to scroll through and go to multiple locations. This is carried through. If you click on the care and treatment option, similarly, you have search options that you can type in for ease of use. Also can select different specialties. Going to the bottom, you also have options to communicate through different social media outlets. Again, it has the yellow tab on the right to look at the same information if you're wanting to set up an appointment or pay a bill, that type of thing. Looking for locations, similarly, laid out, nice balance of how the visual boxes are set up. They're grouped together based on like locations or like services, and if again you have the option of typing things in for ease of search or timeliness of search. You have the list on the right again, the yellow tab, and so all in all, I think the website is fairly well balanced. Things are grouped together nicely. You have different options of how to search for things, so you can find what you're looking for in a variety of different ways. It's fairly easy to use. The one thing that I would suggest improving is when we go to health and wellness. It's a little bit different layout. Has listings on the right for quick access. You still have the yellow tab on the right. However, it lists out a lot of different things in categories, and it's not quite as well balanced as the other sites, and it seems a little cluttered. When we go to our system, it's just a straight narrative. Again, clicking on just a list format, so I think that may have been had an opportunity to list that out better. But overall, I think it's a usable site that individuals can easily navigate and find what they're looking for. It can be a little overwhelming and cluttersome in some areas, but there are multiple ways to find what you're looking for. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.